Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 160,000 subs. Welcome to Amavenzo TV. It's the CAF Champions League. Kaizer Chiefs 1, Kafoskov 0. I'm joined by the Dube family. Mam Dube.
Hi Sithibo. Hayi igame ngibonile Sithibo beyimnandi yebo idlale kahle kakhulu futhi yes and then siyabonga futhi no ulilepho ukuthi asisave akoro and then enye into amakhosi engifuna ukuthi babe awe ngayo bayibone engiyibonile today yes uOx uX umthethwa hayi lo muntu lana hayibona uyinkunzi uyinkunzi nempondo strong ukuthi uthiba ngapha uvela uhlaba ngapha uhlaba imuvu uhlaba ngaphambili bona Sibo kuyayiwa hayi namhlanje udlalile kakhulu and then ngimnikeza man of the match.
She's a man of the match.
Yes kakhulu yebo Sithibo.
Anything else?
Hey Sithibo dala sidlikidlwa dala sidlikidlwa sadlikidlwa siphiwe sisazilile sizilele MTN iMTN 8 futhi nonabi ngapha uhambile Sithibo bengimthanda kakhulu ngenhliziyo yami yonke mara but anyway ayisiyabonga konke kubuyele into lana esimeni ngoba inkosi bathi aliphela amandla mina bese lingiphula bese lingiphula amathambo nawo amathambo bese angiphule wona yebo and then yazini hayi ama Pirates ayakhuluma bathi hayi into leyana ama Kaizer Chiefs bathenge ama bicycle we 2 million while their coffers are empty. I believe ukuthi lama bicycle we 2 million abawathengile the new player bayisayinile manje uMayo I don't know ukuthi mhlambe seka startile ugibela le bicycle na basibuze ngapha ukuthi sebaqalile ugibela le bicycle uyatraina ngayo na asibuze ngapha ukuthi uqalile uyatraina ngayo na.
Thanks for the platform. Actually namhlanje bokuyilanga lakamama bengiletha umama because all the time she's supporting me. That's your body Pagania all the time in naye. So what I've done today is the promise ebengiyenzile kuye ukuthi le happiness esiyifila thina singamabhakania nakubo izofika ngabumtshela ukuthi abe patient but well iChiefs sengakahlangani sengakabe right but what I've saw today really kunginike a hope uyabona ukuthi at the end of the day khona okuzokwenzakala ngekhosi uyabona so sisho sithi when the wife she's happy there is a good life. Happy wife is a happy life. So that's why I'm here for my wife. Mina uyazi vele mina nangake ngikhulume vele ngazo lezi zasephefeni hayi kuzoze kuvalwe ungifaka ku platform yama bicycle yabona and then yazi ukwenzekeleni iqiniso kahle why unabi neChiefs bangazwananga angithi ngakutshela ukuthi eNetherlands ama bicycle alahleka he's a first suspect.
He's a case. He's a one job. Man of the match, Mr. Dube.
Oh, yes. As Mama Ashilo Ox now. Yes.
Okay, now I'm in the time. Thank you, my lady.